Good day, everyone. We are the Group 5 reporter. There is always a room for conflicts and controversies in our studies in Philippine history. Why there are spaces for conflicts and controversies primarily because number one, historians could be subjective in their interpretation, so their interpretation might be biased in their educational background. It might be biased in their personal interpretation of the artifacts because as we have understood that the artifacts could not speak for themselves. So those who interpreted the artifacts or a particular historical topic might be biased in their interpretation. Understanding that there are also multi-perspective in history, or there are a lot of perspectives when we study history. That is why there will be always room for context. There are always spaces for controversies in the study of history, and some historians would call this as one past but many histories. Of course, there are many histories because there could be many interpretations based on the perspectives of the historian. So, in this video, we're going to talk of this particular reason, conflicts and controversies of Philippine history, highlighting the first site of the Mass and the fourth site of the Mass. Site of the first Mass. The first recorded Christian Mass was held on Easter Sunday, March 31, 1521. That is why the Roman Catholic Church will celebrate its 500 years in the Philippines. At a little island port named Mazao, two identical accounts report that this event by eyewitness Antonio Picapeta on 1523 and Antonio de Herrera y Tordesillas 1601. Masawa is a word found only in Butuanon and its Sayon Tausug out of 181 Philippine languages. It means brilliant, light, and crystal clear. Some Filipino historians have long contested the idea that Limasawa was the site of the first Catholic Mass in the country. Historian Sonia Saide identified Masao in Butuan as the location of the first Christian Mass. The basis of Saide's claim is the diary of Antonius Pigapetta, Chronicle of Magellan Voyage in 1995, in Congresswoman Ching Plaza of Agusan del Norte. Butuan City filed a bill in Congress contesting the Limasawa hypothesis and asserting the site of the referred site of the first Mass was Butuan. The Philippine Congress referred the matter to the National Historical Institute for it to study to issue recommend a historical finding. Then NHI Chair Dr. Samuel Keitan reaffirmed Limasawa as the first site of Mass. For the centuries, innumerable numbers of Filipinos, including the top expert in education, history, religion, politics, and other subjects, are still debating as to the exact location of the first Mass on Easter, which according to the number one pro-Butuan author, the word first was not recorded during the observance of Easter Sunday on March 31, 1521, according to Salazar on 2015. Okay, so the first site of the Mass was on Limasawa Island, southern Leyte. The most famous is Limasawa Island, an island town in southern Leyte, which the Philippine government recognized as the actual site of the first Mass. The powerful Roman Catholic Church also recognized Limasawa Island as the site where Magellan and his crew landed and held the first Mass. Furthermore, the Embassy of Spain recognized Limasawa as the site of Magellan's land, all such that they also sent the galleon and Alucia to visit Maasin City for 5 days and Limasawa for about 3 hours. The Embassy of Portugal in Metro Manila recognized Limasawa as the Mazao, which Pigapetta wrote about as the island where Magellan and his troops observed the first Mass on Easter, or introduced the Christianity to the island inhabitants.
Today, I will talk about Mazao or Mazawa, which is located in Butuan City, Agusan del Norte in northern Mindanao. Mazao, or what others calls Mazawa, is significant because some historians and Butuano locals believe that this is the true site where Ferdinand Magellan and his crew first landed during their expedition. Supporters of this claim argue that Mazao matches the description in historical accounts. It has a good acreage for sheep. It is surrounded by rice fields. The area was rich in gold during the time. Many artifacts like the Balanghai and ancient boat and other historical items had been unearthed across Butuan City. Because of these findings and description, many Butuanons advocate for Mazao to be recognized as the historical landing site rather than the other location that some historians claim. In Butuan City, True Mazao or Mazawa holds a strong historical significance because of its possible connection to Magellan's journey and the rich cultural artifacts found there.
The claim that the first Catholic Mass in the Philippines was held in Humuan Highland, Eastern Samar, is a significant aspect of Philippine history. This event is often linked to the arrival of Ferdinand Magellan and his crew in the Philippines in 1521. This report aims to explore the historical context of Magellan expedition, the significance of the alleged first mass, and the cultural implications for the local communities of Humuhon Island and Eastern Samar. The claim that the first mass in Philippines was held on Humuhon Island is a vital part of the island cultural heritage and historical narrative. While historical evidence and accounts provide a basis for this claim, this ongoing debate among historians highlights the complexities of interpreting historical events. Regardless of the exact location, the significance of the Mass as a symbol of the introduction of Christianity to the Philippines remains a crucial aspect of the nation's history. The local communities' pride in this event continues to shape their identity and cultural practices, reinforcing the importance of preserving and celebrating their historical legacy.
Mahaba Island, Blizzard, Surigao del Norte. Finally, another group of people in northeastern Mindanao claimed that Magellan expedition actually had the first mass in Mahaba Island in Surigao del Norte. It was recorded that when he was nearing the shores of Mindanao, Magellan saw lights of settlements which he avoided and sailed farther north, actually south, and anchored near an island of Mazava, now marked on maps as a Mahaba Island, located at latitude 9 and 2/3 degrees. Magellan during that time was using astrolabe to determine his latitude location, and the accuracy of this instrument was plus or minus 1 degree. They must have landed and then checked their latitude location, which was weathered to 1/3 of degree, which they could not have done so on moving ship. There was no way during that time to determine the longitude, and the chronometer, which could not measure the longitude, was only invented by James Harrison, an Englishman, in 1740. Mahaba Island is situated in Blizzard, Surigao del Norte, Philippines. Ferdinand Magellan's expedition in the early 16th century reached the Filipino, resulting in Spanish colonization that eventually encompassed the island's location. This colonization significantly shaped the history and culture of the region, including the development of the communities around Mahaba Island. Mahaba Island is situated in Blizzard, Surigao del Norte, Philippines. Ferdinand Magellan's expedition in the early 16th century reached the Filipino, resulting in Spanish colonization that would eventually encompass the island's locations. This colonization significantly shaped the history and culture of the region, including the development of the communities around Mahaba Island.